Headline New York Times says you're facing a quote-unquote mass exodus of investors from your funds, including the flagship fund. You want to expand on that? Is that true?
Well, I mean, Morgan Stanley put a sell on the fund, and so people are redeeming, and so, we're having an orderly exit. But I think what sometimes happens is, people sell bottoms at times. I mean, it does happen. We're all fallible. And I think, time will tell whether that's the right thing to do. In the meantime, my sales team's out there raising money. People do like bottoms as well. So, I mean, it's a mix of both things. But, yeah, listen, SkyBridge is having a difficult time. I would be remiss in saying otherwise. I want to be a straight shooter on your air at all times. But I do think in the difficulty, there's great opportunity for SkyBridge. The last time I faced this kind of difficulty, Scott, was in 2008, and we did some pretty strategic things. We bought Citibank's fund of funds, the one that you're referencing right now.
Right.
And so there's some big opportunities for us. But yes, investors, Bitcoin has not done well. It's been a core position for us. And I think some people want to take the exit, and we're allowing people to take the exit pursuant to those documents.
Right.
On the
you have gates and things like that, right?
It's not a gate.
Well,
because it's an
we have time frames.
Yeah, it's an interval fund. And so we have a tender. The board sets the tender. We set the tender. People will get out pursuant to the document that they signed. Listen, I'm a customer-facing person. I want to do the right thing for all customers. So unfortunately, in a time like this, it's a balancing test. You've got customers that want to stay in. They want the integrity of the portfolio intact. You want customers to leave. You can't just sell the liquid stuff, Scott, and leave the remaining customers that want to stay in with the illiquid stuff. So you have to balance that. We have an independent board that's advised by outside counsel. I think they've done an amazing job, frankly. I'm confident that SkyBridge's best days are still ahead of itself. This is the 5th anniversary from my White House press conference. So
that is, I saw that.
It's been 5 years of hell and hellstorm. And look, I think the good news is for us, I've got an optimistic, great group of people that I'm working with, and we'll work our way through the problem.
You put this in perspective, though, a moment ago. This is the worst situation you've been in for the firm since '08. That kind of puts things into perspective, Anthony.
Yeah,
I mean,
definitely. Definitely the worst situation. Again, everyone's having a different situation. We have the worst market crisis since 1970, right? First half of the year, worst since 1970. But I think for us, with Bitcoin down 50% on the year, we had a big position in Bitcoin. The ironic thing about our position is we bought the coins at around 18,000. So they went to 69,000, traded back to 22,000. Of course, you take money in at the top, Scott, and money leaves at the bottom. So I wish people would recognize that and stay calm and be with us. The irony is if we went from 18,000 to 22,000, everyone would be happy right now. But it didn't go that way. But I like the Bitcoin long term, the Bitcoin investment long term.